go on the truck. We got some pretty exciting adventures for today.
Oh yeah, the snow is great. It just dumped overnight, and we're gonna try to get to the top of a mountain that we've never been to before. There's no road, no trail. There's a road like 3/4 of the way up to a clear cut, and then from there we're just gonna bushwhack through the trees and see if we can get to the top.
North Idaho light. Oh, this is gonna be a good day. We just got about 6 inches of snow. And we haven't been up here yet. I don't think a lot of people know about this spot, so it's gonna be pretty cracked out. Oh yeah! Now we're in the fluffy fluff. Man, we're getting lucky on conditions.
Dude, you couldn't ask for better than this.
Both the days that we just so happened could ride because we're done with stuff.
Yep. Look at this, not only do we have fresh snow, we have like partially blue sky. Well, I wouldn't say blue skies, but sun. It's easy to get it to 75%. The last 20 is hard.
Because then your track's pushing snow normally.
Yeah. Man, it's so fun having a fresh track road.
I know.
Untracked road to just carve on.
I was just doing S-turns exactly opposite of you.
Nice.
We gained a lot of elevation. This is the fastest we've ever made it up this far, that's for sure. Snow biking is the way to get up here. But I noticed something was slipping.
Yeah, this chain's that's not gonna do that.
Well, at the beginning of the video, we did say it was gonna be an adventure, right?
Oh yeah.
So we broke the master link clip, throwing back on chain, and it's just hovering there in midair. It'll probably last 2 seconds. But the idea is if I consistently give it just a little bit of throttle, it might stay on, and then we need to do less dragging back to the truck. So that's where we're at right now.
That's the plan. See if it works.
Well, it's already made it longer than I thought it would. So that's something. We're like 5 minutes in and the chain is still on. We're back to our tracks on the way up, so this might actually go all the way back to the truck without a master link clip. That is crazy. Apparently Timbersled kicks don't even use the master link. Apparently. That's awesome. We're out at the same road, trying to go up the same mountain, this time with some tight chains and way more snow. Oh yeah. Conditions are even better than last time we were up. Starting off strong. Got the first crash out of the way. Time to hit it. Shifted into neutral on that one. This is a perfect day to be out here.
Oh yeah.
Just perfect.
So much fun.
go to the end of this road and see if it doesn't get us closer to the top of this mountain so we don't have to navigate through these tight trees, because that just looks a little bit wild right now. Yeah. Yeah, with as deep as the snow is, I think this is the end of the road today. I mean, it is literally the end of the road, so then we'd just be bushwhacking through trees on the side of a steep hill.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh well. Head back and try another avenue. Time I'm bringing my snowboard for sure. The snow is just nothing but deep. It's phenomenal. We found this big bump, kind of some kind of big slash pile or something, with, once you clear these little trees, a pretty good landing. So Ethan's gonna give it the good old-fashioned sender. Look at how deep. Yes. Here we go. Yeah. That buried like his whole body into that lip. Look at this. There is so much snow. That hole he just made just on the takeoff is bigger than me. Yeah! The snow stopped. It looks like we're gonna get a break in the weather, so it's time to bust out the drone.